that once they have a chronic disease, what happens in the eyes of insurance? They become hard to insure. They might get a decline, they might get a heavy rating, or might be postponed, depending if they're going through that chronic disease right now. So this could be a big challenge, but with Canada Protection Plan and our solutions, actually you could look at it as an opportunity, because this is a great market to go after. They know they're not going to be around forever, and they have quite a lot of needs when it comes to their insurance coverage. Another challenge we face on a regular basis is MIB. I'm sure we've all been there with a client that has maybe applied for insurance about a year or two ago and now speaking to you about getting coverage. Unfortunately, they got declined in the past. And what happens with MIB is everything in your past with insurance, for the most part, is reported onto MIB. And if you're not aware of what MIB is, it's the Medical Information Bureau. So it's kind of like your credit check. So if you first applied to Canada Life and got a decline, a year later you try to apply to Manulife, chances are Manulife is going to look at the MIB and see exactly what was found and probably give the same result, same outcome, same answer. With Canada Protection Plan, we are one of the only companies that do not report or look at MIB, and which could be a big advantage to you and your clients. One thing we also understand with traditional insurance, I'm sure you're witnessing this, you're going through this, it takes time for APS, medicals, and underwriting. And that could be a problem if the client needs insurance in a speedy fashion, they need it right away. Taking time could really hinder the sales. All this is leading to dramatic growth of non-medical. And you can even see it on the TV, Manulife, BMO, they are advertising quite a lot, putting a lot of money into their guaranteed issue products because they see a change in the marketplace. So we want to make these challenges disappear, and we want to increase your revenue by $10,000 to $15,000. Hopefully even more. And that's one thing you'll start to see when you incorporate non-medical is that your revenue, your bottom line is going to go up. When you take a decline case, and I want you to think throughout this webinar, I want you to think about any declines you've seen or come across in the last couple of years, because chances are we could go back to those clients and we could get them a solution. So if you're writing one non-med, one app with Canada Protection Plan on a monthly basis, we're going to look at a bottom line of about $10,000 to $15,000 increase to your revenue. But now the great thing is, if you come across a client that's been declined in the past, and maybe was working with a different advisor, and you start speaking to them and find out that they've been declined, you find out a little bit about their backgrounds, and you